front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections. Then select More Connection Settings. Following that, tap on Printing at the top and select Default Print Service. Lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, disable this one first thanks to blue switcher. Go back, click on Download plugin and install the best service for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Then click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!